Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Greater Portmore Health Center, and as you can see it's under construction. There's an existing health center but they're upgrading it, and part of the upgrade is to put in a new building, which is what we're looking at. Now Portmore has a large population but they don't have a hospital. So if you live in Portmore you have to use the health center or go to the Spanish Town Hospital. So because of this, I think the government has plans to build a hospital, but it hasn't started yet, and I'm not sure how far those plans have reached. So residents of Portmore would have to go to this health center, and if it's a more serious issue, they probably have to go to the Spanish Town Hospital or the KPH Kingston Public Hospital in Kingston. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here, the upgrade of the health center. The Greater Portmore Health Center is currently undergoing major construction and expansion to transform it into a modern Type 5 comprehensive health center. This is part of the Health System Strengthening Program launched by the Government of Jamaica to improve primary healthcare infrastructure across the island. A new 1,252-meter building is being constructed and will significantly expand service capacity. Services to be added include laboratory services, X-ray room, oral rehydration area, isolation facilities, treatment and procedure rooms, asthma bay, diabetic screening, physiotherapy, administrative training, and staff support. Now the contractor is a Chinese contractor, China China Civil Engineering Construction Company, CCECC. Alright guys, now what we're looking at, the project is currently 65% complete and it's expected to be finished by mid 2026. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.